AI is not here to replace your job necessarily. It will, on the other hand, you will be replaced by people who know how to use AI. So what I would say to folks is, look, embrace this stuff, dive into it. You don't need to know everything there is to know about the complicated models that basically, you have at your fingertips. What you need to know is what these things can help you solve for, how they can help you ideate, how they can help you think outside the box and kind of go new directions with things. And it's dead easy. That's the whole point of these large language models. So I would say we're not at a place where all these jobs are going to be replaced necessarily, but it is starting to happen in certain areas. In software development is also an area that people are experimenting with, but it ain't perfect, mate. And I'm telling you right now, if you don't have people who are educated about this stuff and can unpick it and say, ooh, that's wrong, we got to fix that and that. That is sort of the upskilling challenge, is how do you get people to supervise these tools and to understand how to make them better?